InfoHub shares with you 3 natural ways to treat fever. A fever is a temporary increase in your body temperature, often caused by either infection or inflammation. Having a fever is a sign that something wrong is going on in your body. Many medication can reduce the fever, but medication has its own side effect, so it's better to treat fever in a natural way. Many people think that taking a cold bath may reduce the body temperature, but the truth is, cold water can make you shiver, which will increase the fever. So it is advised by doctors to have bath with lukewarm water in order to reduce the fever. Too many clothes can increase the fever because it can trap the heat inside the body. So it is necessary to wear lightweight clothing and sleep with either a sheet or light blanket. And do not add much more blanket over yourself unless and until you start shivering. A viral fever can make your body much more warmer than usual. You lose lots of water because of high body temperature, which can lead to dehydration. So it is very important to increase the water intake to compensate the loss of fluids in your body. You can also have oral rehydration solution to get the vital electrolytes as well as other minerals. Your body needs vitamins A, B and C and minerals like sodium, iron and magnesium during fever. So the diet recommended is high carbs, high protein, low fat and high fluid diet. Make sure you consume the food which is easily digestible. Even khichdi made of rice and lentils is a good meal option. Don't come in direct contact with sunlight during fever as it can increase your body temperature. Keep yourself in cool and shady place, and it is advised to avoid exposure to public places because body during fever is more likely to get infections. It is scientifically proven that mustard oil has many health benefits and curing fever is one of them. It heals body pain and makes your body to sweat more and more in order to decrease the body temperature. Don't involve yourself in physical activity during fever because it can increase the temperature of your body. It is said that sleep is the best natural healer against infection, so try to get as much rest as possible. You should have some warm cup of herbal tea during fever as it has many proven benefits. Willow bark tea has used for centuries as a pain reliever. Studies have shown that willow bark contains salicin, an anti-inflammatory and antipyretic ingredient which can help in treatment against fever. Tulsi is known as the mother medicine of nature in Ayurveda because of its multiple health benefits. Tulsi leaves are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc, iron and fibers which will function to reduce the viral fever. Banana contains a considerable amount of carbohydrates which will give your body a lot of strength and energy. It also contains lots of potassium and other minerals which will help you to balance the electrolytes in your body. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons contain high level of flavonoids and vitamin C which can decrease inflammation and boost immunity which will help to fight fever. The main beneficial ingredients of this garlic family is allicin compounds which is antibacterial and antifungal. Also, the warm nature of garlic can lower high fever by promoting sweat. Dark green leafy vegetables like kale are powerful immune boosters. Kale is a powerful alkalizer of the body and also helping your body to get rid of toxins that are driving up the inflammation in your body. The hot fluid of chicken soup will heal your body while the protein content of chicken will give your body enough energy to recover from fever. It is also an amazing source of fluids and electrolytes which will keep you hydrated.